10 skincare mistakes that are ruining your glow. Taking care of your skin isn't just about the products you use. It's also about avoiding habits that could be harming your complexion. Your skin deserves the best care, but even the most well-intentioned routine can go wrong if you're unknowingly making common mistakes. From rushing through cleansing to skipping sunscreen, these habits could be preventing you from achieving that healthy and radiant glow, leading to breakouts, dryness, premature aging, and irritation. Whether you are new to skincare or refining your routine, knowing what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do. The good news: once you spot the culprits, you can make simple changes for better skin. Ready to level up your skincare game? Grab a cup of your favorite drink, a pen and a notebook as we dive into the top 10 mistakes you should avoid for a glowing complexion. Stay to the end as the last one is the most important. 1. Cleansing for less than a minute. Washing your face for less than a minute doesn't give your cleanser enough time to properly break down dirt, oil, and makeup. A full 60 seconds ensures thorough cleansing while allowing active ingredients to work effectively. 2. Being inconsistent with your skincare routine. Skipping your routine or using products sporadically can prevent you from seeing results. Skincare works best when done consistently, just like exercise for your skin. 3. Not giving your skin enough moisture and hydration. Your skin needs both moisture oil and hydration water to stay healthy. Skipping moisturizers or neglecting hydration can lead to dryness, irritation, and premature aging. 4. Using facial wipes. Wipes can be harsh on the skin and don't effectively remove dirt and makeup. They often contain alcohol and fragrances that can cause irritation. Opt for a gentle cleanser instead. 5. Not being gentle with your skin. Aggressive scrubbing, tugging at the skin, or using harsh exfoliants can cause irritation and damage your skin barrier. Treat your skin with care. Think soft, circular motions when cleansing. 6. Not wearing sunscreen every day. Sun damage is a leading cause of premature aging and skin issues. UV rays penetrate the skin even on cloudy days, making daily sunscreen essential to protect your skin. 7. Using too many products. Using products for your skin is not bad, but too much of it can overwhelm your skin and lead to irritation or breakouts. Stick to a balanced routine with essential steps suited to your skin type. 8. Not getting enough sleep. A lack of sleep leads to increased stress hormones, which can cause breakouts and dull skin. Your skin repairs itself at night, so proper rest is key for glowing complexion. 9. Brushing your teeth after doing your skincare. Toothpaste residue can end up on your skin, causing dryness or irritation. Always brush your teeth before applying skincare to keep your face fresh and clean. 10. Eating too much sugar and processed food. Excess sugar and highly processed foods can trigger inflammation and breakouts. A diet rich in whole foods, antioxidants, and hydration helps maintain clean and healthy skin. Taking care of your skin is all about consistency, balance, and protection. Making small changes can lead to noticeable improvements. Your skin is the foundation of your confidence, and taking care of it means avoiding mistakes that will dull its glow. Every small choice, whether it's skipping sunscreen, neglecting hydration, shapes your skin's future. But now you're equipped with the knowledge to make better decisions and embrace skincare as a form of self-care. Let's keep the conversation going. Like this video, share it with someone who needs these tips, and subscribe for more aesthetic skincare secrets. Your skin deserves the best glow, and together, we can keep the glow going.